A girl wandered into the woods, chasing a fox with fur as white as snow. It never ran far, always pausing as if waiting for her. But when she finally caught up, what she saw will leave you frozen. Before I reveal it, you'll have the best luck tomorrow if you like and subscribe within 3 seconds. The fox sat beside an old wooden sign, her name carved deep into the rotting wood. She had never been here before. The wind whispered through the trees, carrying a voice, soft, familiar, calling her name. Then, the fox turned and spoke, "You've been here before."